Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Renita. Let's make very simple and easy cucumber salad. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified on all my updates. Note down or screenshot this recipe. Let's begin with the chopping. Slice down cucumber evenly. Now transfer these slices into a clean plate. Next, finely chop down the coriander leaves. Keep it aside. Let's make the dressing. In a bowl, pour some olive oil, lime juice, salt, red chili flakes. Mix it thoroughly and transfer the sliced cucumber into the bowl. Add evenly chopped coriander leaves and mix everything together so that the flavors combine well. And that's all. Your simple yet delicious cucumber salad is ready. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on top and serve it immediately. I hope you found this quick and easy recipe useful. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Also follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.